Hello guys. It's your boy FX again on this one. Guys, you can see actually I'm currently on a trade running in profit. You can see it's actually running in profit. On this video, I want to show you how and why I took this trade. What I see actually that made me took this sell trade, and it's currently running in profit, right? First of all, I have to go to the higher time frame. I'm currently on the 4-hour time frame right now. So let me eliminate everything. Before I analyze the market. Eliminate everything. Alright guys, this is the 4-hour time frame, right? So first of all, what I do is I will mark out the key zones in the market. First of all, we have this key zone. This is a point. That's a key zone. This one here is a key zone, a turning point in the market. Then we have another key zone. I clone this. I have another key zone here. This is on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see that previously market was like this. Previously market was coming up like this, and then it went up. It gave us a massive move to the upside, right? So, and you can see that the market went all the way up like this, came down, went up. So what will happen next is what market came back to this key zone, here, this key zone here, came back to this key zone here. You can see it's a point where market is respecting in the market, this one here. You get, so market came back to here, came back to this key zone, this particular key zone. Market came back to it, which is this point, in the market, this point here. So market came back up there, and then this, since we have another key zone here, where market respect like this. So you can see market came to that point, came to this point here, from here like this. Then it broke out. You see, since market has broke out of that zone, all we expect is what? A retest, something like a retest, and then we go back up like this. So I don't know if you understand. This is how I analyze the market, right? So the reason why I took this sell was what? I saw that market has broken structure based on market structure like this. Based on market structure, market was like lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. I'm sorry, here, lower low here. We have a lower low here, lower high here, have a lower low here, have a lower high here, have a lower low. The market broke this previous high, which is this point. It broke it. So according to market structure, when market break a particular zone, you know that okay, market actually have changed bias, right? Your bias should be changed from being bullish, to bearish, or from being bearish to bullish. So at this point now, you can see market has changed from being bearish like this to bullish. Why? Because it has broken this previous high, here. So our bias now will change from what? Being bearish to bullish. So what we should be expecting from this structure forming now is what? To go bullish like this. That's what I'm looking out for. So the reason why I took a sell was because I was able to mark out a trend line, right? Let me show you. I was able to mark my trend line from the here. Change from what? Being bearish to bullish. So what we should be expecting from this structure forming now is what? To go bullish like this. That's what I'm looking out for. So the reason why I took a sell was because I was able to mark out a trend line, right? Let me show you. I was able to mark my trend line from the here. From here. I mark my trend line from here like this. was saying earlier, what I did was what I pull out my trend line and I mark out my trend line like this, and I clone it like this. That's if you want, you can clone it too, because that's how I do my analysis to give me a channel, right? So this market looks like this. What I do is what? What I do is what? Okay, I looked at I okay. Let me expand my chart, and then what I look at next is what? You can see that on this still on this 4 hour, we still have a zone. Yes, here you can still mark out the zone for me. You can see that market is respecting this point here. Why? Because we have several touches here. Market bounce up from here, here it went up, bounce here, went up, came, broke out, and even went back up. So what we should be expecting next is the market should come back and test on still on this particular zone, right? Combined with this trend line. It's just like a breakout and a retest on the trend line, right? From here, let market go up. You get? So that's my what I look out for. So where I'm actually expecting market to come back to this zone here, to this zone here, this zone here, this one you're seeing here. So that was where actually I was actually looking out for market to come to, then I'll take a buy. So why did I take this sell? Let's scale to the 4 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame. Why is this actually delaying? Okay, okay. This is the 4 hour time frame, right? So because you see, market has been respecting this point. Market has been respecting this point here. It went up, came here, it went up, it even broke out, came back again, and then we should be expecting a retest, and then market should go up. So this is the retest now. The market is actually displaying. This is the retest. So the market will retest on this trend, on this support zone, and then market should go up. So that's actually my bias. That's what I was looking for. So why did I take this sell? I look at, okay, on a lower time frame, I can see. Let's keep to the 30 minutes time frame. So this is the 30 minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, you can see market has been giving us what? A lower low, lower high, a lower low, lower high here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And then what should be expecting? A lower low. A lower low that will lead the market to come back to this zone here, right? Before bouncing on it and then going back up. So I capitalize on this actually this small move, this sell move here, this lower low, lower high, lower high. So because I knew market would come back here, so I had to capitalize on this lower low move, this down move. So hold the market all the way to this support zone here, this support zone here, before I will take a buy from here. So I look out for the sell. So when I came to the lower time frame, the 15-minute time frame, that's my entry time frame. So what did I look out for? Let's check. Let's check. So I came back here. I saw that, okay, market broke this zone here. Market broke this zone here. You can see market broke this zone here. Broke this zone here. So market broke out like this. It broke out like this, and then a retest. So from this retest here, it gave me a bearish candlestick confirmation. This bearish candlestick confirmation. Actually, I took the trade before even the confirmation, because I knew that, okay, I knew that market would definitely come back to this support zone. So that was why I was having more confidence of taking the trade for the sell. So market broke out, came for a retest here. Then I took the sell from here. I can see market. That's why market keeps selling. So I should be expecting to take my profit on this support zone. So from here, if the market bounce off here and give me another bullish confirmation to the upside, so I'll be taking a buy. And this buy will be a long time buy, because overall, from the higher time frame, market has changed structure from being bearish to bullish. All we are actually looking out for is what? Market to come back here for a retest on a higher time frame, for it to come and complete the retest of the higher time frame here on this support zone. Then I'll take a buy. So this was the reason why I took this trade, and you can see that the market is actually moving well from here. As I took the sell from here, you can see currently where the market is now. You can see the market is actually approaching the support zone. Actually, this is my outlook for the trade, for this trade I took. I can see it's looking beautiful, and I'm in profit, very good profit. So this is the outlook for this trade. So guys, all I want you to do is, well, give me a thumbs up, a subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And what did you think about this analysis? Just give your your decision in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I love you all. Peace.